Hi, Exact Electric LLC. This is Rachel. Thanks for clicking on this video. I reached out to you guys and it said that it's best to contact you via email, so here we are. I just wanted to put together a quick video kind of reviewing. I noticed at the bottom of your guys' page that you have a site design company and an SEO company, and so you're working with two different companies to keep your digital marketing flowing, and I just wanted to let you know that there are other options out there, and there are digital marketers that can provide both of those things for you. So let me dive into this just really quick here. So I've got your website up. It does look nice. I like these little tabs up here at the top. You want to add your phone number right up here at the top. As soon as clients click on this website, they need to be able to contact you. Put your number right up there. Now scrolling down, you've got a few things that you offer. But it's really great if you can, right under this, you want to have different services that you offer to your clients, just readily available. One of the first things that they're going to see on your home page, that's something that you want to have right there for them to see. Scrolling down, the recent projects is great, some things for clients to reference. Maybe add some testimonials, some reviews, get those on this home page. Let your clients know what people are saying about working with you and how much they enjoy it. Now, the next thing that we're going to talk about really quick is content. So Google wants you to be sitting at 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your home page. I've gone ahead and put this home page into wordcounter.net, which is a free tool. As you can see, you're sitting at about 770 words. I've also put in As You Wish, which is one of the top competitors in your area. They're sitting at 795 words. You guys are pretty close. Neither one of you is at that 1,500 word mark. That's really where you want to be. Now, in addition to that content, Google really wants to see buyer intent keywords sprinkled through it. This includes things like Electrician Seattle. When I search that, it is not listed on your home page one time. An easy way to get that in here, put right up here, Exact Electric LLC, the Electrician Seattle loves. Bam. Google's crawlers are going to read that. It's going to help you rank. Alright, and now next we're going to talk about backlinks. And maybe you've heard a little bit about backlinks, maybe not. I'll break it down really quick. Backlinks are just a shout out from another website. So Google's like a popularity contest. It wants to see other websites vouching for you, saying you're trustworthy, you're relevant. But not all backlinks are created equal. So if you've got a backlink coming from, say, Pizza Hut, it's not going to hold the same amount of power because Google knows you're not a pizza company. The tool that I use to check out backlinks is called Ahrefs. It is a paid tool. There are plenty of free tools out there. What we're going to look at here is your UR and your DR rating. This is your trustworthy rating with Google. This is your power rating with Google. We want these numbers to be much closer. This kind of lets us know that maybe some of our backlinks aren't super relevant to what we offer. It's not really helping you rank. Now, your backlinks come from these referring domains. As you can see, you guys have 241 right now. As You Wish has only 99, so they're beating you out in backlinks, but they've got less referring domains. Their numbers in their ratio are a little off too, but they're a little bit closer than yours. So what you can do is check out these referring domains and make sure you're added to the exact same ones. All you have to do that, sometimes you have to email the account owner, sometimes you register an account, sometimes it's just putting your citation, sometimes you pay that monthly fee for it. Either way, it's worth it because it's going to help you start ranking organically. So this is 404 people visiting their website every month in comparison to your 103 people visiting your website. It's bringing in a lot of money, a lot of value for their company. Now, the last thing that we're going to hit on here is this area right here. And as you guys can see, you're in that map pack. You're in the third spot. This is good, but I went to find you organically down here, and you guys are listed on page 3. There's absolutely no reason for that. You want to be listed right up here in the top 3 for the map pack, and you want to be listed in the top 3 for the organic search. This is going to let your clients know that Google knows you're trustworthy, you're relevant, because you're showing up in the number 3 spots in both areas. In addition, you guys can get yourself in these Google ads. And all you have to do is outbid competitors for those keywords to show up right here. And so, as you might already know, with this map pack, if you want to climb higher up, you just got to get your citation out there more than these two competitors have theirs. So find where their citations are listed, get yourself added to those exact same ones, and then go above and beyond that. And if As You Wish has 150 citations, get yourself 250 to 300 citations. Really get yourself up there. So to recap, we want to get a phone number right up here at the top. We want to get a call to action. We want to get way more content, and we want to get some of these organic buyer intent keywords flowing through that content as well. So when Google crawlers go through our website, it's going to make us rank organically. So we're showing up right down here for our customers too, not just right here. We're going to dominate all of Google and start increasing that organic traffic and bringing in more and more business to you. And that's all I've got for you. I hope that this was helpful. Please reach out to me with any questions. I would love your feedback. Thanks.